Welcome to the video introduction to fractions. Fractions are just another way to represent divisions. For example, 5 divided by 7 is the same as 5 over 7 with little line in between. So this is a fraction form of 5 divided by 7. We can call it 5 7, or we can even call it 5 divided by 7 or 5 over 7. Now, the top part is called the numerator and the bottom part is called the denominator. The denominator describes the number of pieces it takes to make one whole piece. Remember, a fraction is a part of the whole. It is not a whole number. It just represents part of a whole. And the denominator tells us that in this case we need 7 pieces to make one whole. The numerator tells us how many of the whole pieces we have. Another way to think of the denominator is to think of as it is a representation of a size of a piece that we have. Let's look at this shape. This shape has been divided into 5 equal pieces. Each individual piece can be described as 1 divided by 5 or pronounced as 1/5 of the entire shape. If we divide the same shape into 12 parts or 12 pieces, we can see that each piece is smaller than before when we had 5 pieces. In this case, each piece is 1 divided by 12 or 1/12 of the entire shape.